As his government marks 100 days in office, the Premier has been accused of brushing off public health workers at a union conference. Chris Minns was a no-show as more than 500 health services union delegates gathered in the city. It led the Treasurer to face a grilling from the very people who helped Labor win the election.
Who needs enemies when you have friends like these? Treasurer Daniel Mookie heckled at a conference of the Health Services Union, who claim it's actually the Premier they invited.
Chris is a bit busy, he can't come to the conference and see us. Basically, he's brushed us.
Putting on hats accusing the government of stealing workers' tax savings, members attacked the Treasurer for not ending the tax grab and only offering a 4% pay rise.
But we are determined to show the respect to our paramedics that they deserve.
Pay us what they were.
I understand that there is a strong desire.
That 4% does not even cover the groceries, the electricity.
The Treasurer had come to announce good news for the union. The public sector wages cap will go in September. But for many, that's not fast enough.
The steps need to be bigger than where they are.
One thing I've always taken pride of personally is that I turn up when times are good and when times are not.
The Premier's office claims it was never confirmed he'd attend. Chris Minns is taking his first leave since winning government. Interviews to mark his 100 days in the top job were recorded last week.
100 days is usually a good time to reflect. How do you think it's gone so far?
Look, I mean, I think it's going well, but we've got a long way to go.
How would you classify your relationship with the unions? You've been under a bit of pressure from some of them regarding your priorities. They felt you should have acted on the wages cap a little earlier than you did.
I mean, what I've always understood about the negotiations with unions in New South Wales is that they've got a job to do, and that is to fight even a Labor government on behalf of their membership.
And fight they will. HSU delegates aren't ruling out more industrial action. Lachlan Kennedy for 10 News First.